Welcome to Saw Masters, where you'll see powerful chainsaws, giant tree trunks, and the world's most advanced forestry machines. From chainsaws to heavy forestry equipment, we bring you the most realistic and impressive images of the world of logging. Explore now. The massive chainsaw roared as it cut through the thick bark of the ancient tree. Sawdust flew everywhere as the workers focused on adjusting the direction of the fall. As the final cut was made, the tree tilted slowly, making a loud bang as it hit the ground. MS-500i, revolution in the chainsaw industry. This is the world's first chainsaw to use electronic fuel injection technology, providing fast acceleration, fuel economy, and optimized engine performance in all working conditions. The large chainsaw roars as its sharp blade trims thick branches, sending them crashing to the ground. Then, the worker moves on to the massive trunk, making powerful cuts that echo through the air. Within moments, the tree gives way and falls, completing the felling process. With its sturdy design and automatic conveyor, the Cord King CS 27-40 wood splitter helps increase firewood processing productivity, optimize labor time, and ensure continuous production efficiency.
Tafon RCA 400 Joy combines fast splitting speed and easy control technology, helping to optimize the firewood processing process, improving productivity for woodworking workshops. The sharp blade system and powerful drive help the HeavyMachinery 650 handle tree stumps quickly, reducing working time and increasing productivity in large-scale reclamation projects. The TF-830B is a modern forestry equipment designed for efficient handling and moving of timber. With a powerful hydraulic system and a sturdy chassis, the machine can operate on a variety of terrains, helping to optimize the logging and transport process in the forestry industry. The Timberjack 450C is a heavy-duty log hauler featuring durable performance in harsh logging conditions. With a powerful winch system, high-power engine, and sturdy design, the machine ensures high performance when moving logs on complex terrain. The John Deere 1270G is equipped with a powerful cutting head with an intelligent sensor system, helping to cut and process wood accurately. Meanwhile, the Forwarder 1510G has a large load capacity and a strong tire system, helping to transport wood through forest terrain easily and effectively.
The sharp bandsaw of the Meber HTZ 1200 Plus moves seamlessly through the massive log. Thick planks separate smoothly, their surface is clean and ready for further processing. Equipped with an intelligent automatic control system, the PTH 1200 to 1000G Petzolato optimizes the wood chipping process, ensuring maximum performance. The Kloss Zerion 5500 HP engine helps the machine operate powerfully, save fuel, and operate stably on all terrains, meeting the needs of large-scale production.
Between the dense trees, the bulky truck had to inch its way to avoid getting stuck. The driver's skills were put to the test as he maneuvered the giant vehicle through a path only a few meters wide. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. See you in the next Saw Masters Adventures.